Los Angeles is a highly populated city located in Southern California, once known in the 1800s as a place of opportunity which enticed many to call it home. In today's world, Los Angeles is subjected to extreme drought, heat waves, and mudslides. Many of this can be contributed to the city's massive population of over 10 million people. United States Census, 2019. With this rise in population came a change in land use. Once a lush land of opportunity, now a concrete jungle packed with people and cars. This change in landscape has surely caused a feedback loop which has further made climate change worse. With these conditions only expected to get worse, California passed a law over a decade ago which required regional agencies to design communities to discourage driving and thus reduce carbon emissions. The Times editorial board, 2018. Unfortunately, most cities and communities failed to follow these expectations. The Times editorial board, 2018. More recently, California has taken an even more drastic approach by phasing out the sale of all new gasoline-powered vehicles by 2035. Summer and Newman, 2020. If Los Angeles does not enforce restrictions on land use to discourage urban development and reduce carbon emissions, drought will lead to a lack of water for locally grown food. Heat waves will continue to climb and the rare rainfall will lead to even more destruction and erosion.